Alright everyone, working on this controller right now. I'm gonna swap those two, and those two should fix the issue. Now let's see how many legs on those relays. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 8 legs. That's quite interesting. See how it's going? Yeah. Okay, let's start it up. There's a bunch of solder here. So that's one relay. There's still lots of solder on those big legs. Oh boy. Yeah, those small legs are all perfect, but the big legs might take some time until I take this one relay off. It's an interesting position and you can't really reach. I might have to take a different tip like this one, maybe. Let's see. Or am I gonna do it old-fashioned way? This is a good one, for sure. It's not easy to take this one out. We'll take it out, it's just have to see. Maybe I'll change it for a different tip. Let's change it to maybe this one. See if it works a little bit better. Let's put more heat. I put 450. Let's see if it makes any difference. I took those relays out. It was a little bit challenging, but I put one in already, and I'm just gonna put the other one. Yeah, they are not really friendly, those ones, that's for sure. Because there's 8 legs here and it takes some time not to do any damages. Now I see why it was really bulky and stuff, because there's a little bit leg still left on this side, so I'm just gonna it's touching good. Everything seems to be okay here. Those relays are in. Now I'm gonna take those small ones and then I'll send it to the customer for testing. Those small relays, they have 5 little legs. They are right here. That might be a little challenging too, I can tell you that. But we'll see. We're not gonna give up. Okay, I'll see how it goes with this one. If it's gonna take too much time to take the legs out, I will just do it real quick and then I will post the final video. You want a good fume extractor here for sure, because you don't want to breathe all this crap, you know, in your lungs. If we do only like few boards, no problem. This board took me so much time just because of big relays. I'm late on my appointment, but I really want to finish this one up, and then I will continue the last one tomorrow because I really don't have time. Yeah, those relays are not very friendly, I can tell you that. They are not coming out easy. Yeah, they don't want to come out easy, so I might gonna have to pause the video and just finish for today. I thought they will come easy. Let's try it once again. They sit really deep, and they have 5 legs. See? Those legs are quite big too. So the solder really hard to come out from there. It sinks down really good. It doesn't want to come out. I'll try one more time, and if it's not, but then I will just pause it and stop the video for today, and then. But you got the idea. This sometimes not so easy. You have to take the solder out. Okay, I think this leg is out. This one, okay, maybe, let's see, trying to press a bit harder, see if it's going to make a difference. Okay, I think I released one leg. Awesome. Okay, this came out almost completely. Oh yeah, there's 2 more legs here. Let's see if I can. Oh wow, came out nice. Okay, somewhere there. Okay, one leg came out. There's one leg here. Maybe this one sits really good still. Anyways guys, I'm gonna have to stop the video because this board is not really friendly. It's gonna take me too long to do all this job. The ETA on this one, I think this one probably gonna take about 10-15 minutes, then put them back quick, seal it, send it back to the customer. I would say about half an hour to 45 minutes. If you guys have any questions, you can comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and take care. Just a short video on this Mighty Mule Gate, and those two relays are in place. It took me about 45 minutes to an hour, maybe a little bit more, but it's a big job, especially because there's 4 legs on each side here, and those legs are a little bit thicker. I'll send this to the customer and we'll see if it works. Thank you for watching, and take care.